si Jiro. Then next to Jiro and Cassie, si Briley and Matthew. Okay, next to Briley and Matthew, Amari and Francis. Next to Amari and Francis is Sabina and Damian hanggang makarating na po sa dulo. Kapag hindi ng palo sa you need to put in the... Okay. Children. Yung marami pong water na maisasalin doon, yun po yung winner. Okay po? Okay. Sige po. Go, children. 1, 2, 3, go. Put water there. Careful. Okay, pass it to Cassie. Bebeng. Go. Go at the back. Jiro, go. Go.
Clint, go the back.
Go at the back. Go at the back, Clint. Okay, next, Cassie. Give it to Briley. Give it to Matthew. Go. Oh, damihan nyo. Go. Damihan nyo yung pagkuha ng water. Doon, Matthew, doon ka. Doon ka sa kabila. O, Briley, bigay mo kayo kay Amari. Go. Go. Dali. Damihan. Go at the back. Go at the back.
Damihan.
Balance. Oh.
Balance. Francis, ikaw na.
Daldal.
Francis, ikaw na.
Magdaldalan ka na ng isa. Oh, Francis, ikaw na. Isa, magdaldal ka lang dyan. Magdaldal ka lang. Go. Go, dali.
What is up? This is the best game ever. Damihan.
Go, asa ba? Tapos mo. Again, Clara. Go.
Likod na, Francis, likod.
Dito, bebe. Dito ba? Oh. Francis, go at the back. Go at the back. Oh, go at the back. Go at the back.
Yara daw. Damihan mo daw.
Ala, natapon pa yun sa inyo. Oh.
Sino huli? Sino huli?
Go at the back.
Oh, Damihan.
Ten. Oy, girls, paano na lang?
Isa. Natapon pa yung sa boys.
Natapon pa yun sa boys. Naku, lalo kayo walang naipon. Oh, go, dali.
Bitay.
Go, bigay. Go at the back. Francis, move. Go! Ale! Sino nakatapon? Oh, sino na next? Bigay mo kay ano?
Marami na yung girls.
Bakit? Naku po si Damian. Back sa pila mo. Sino yung kasunod mo? Sino kasunod mo? Alam ni Damian yung ano. Ay! Ano nangyari? Wala na tayong tubig.
Sumali to din.
Ako naman talaga.
Wala pa, unti pa niyo. Oh my God.
Wala na, hindi na nila
Oh
maaari.
my God. Goodness. Concentration nga ako.
Talaga naman kayo, oh. Oh, sinong panalo?
Alam na kung sino
Sinong panalo? Ha? Sinong panalo? Ulitin natin. Practice lang, wait lang. Dagdagan natin.
Uy, yo!
Ay, Jiro. Kukuha pa.
Hello!
Back to the line. Back to the line. Back to the line. Sige, halika na. Lapit na kita. Sama ka lang si Eva. Doon ka na lang. O, lipat tayo, Chef, dun sa kabila. Lipat dun sa kabila. Basta na lang.
Kulang. Mamaya na lang ulit.
Asan ang linya? Asan yung line? Asan yung line? Move backward! Backward, go, go! Go!
Patay.
Eh, sobra na eh. Sabi si George na.
Asan yung line? Ito yung line.
Hindi mo mamaya, be.
Ay, ito yung boy. Balik na yung classroom. Balik na sa classroom yan. Huwag na isali yung nag-aaway. Hindi na sa isala kasi Yara. Sige, balik na kayong dalawa doon. Huwag na kayong kasali. Okay. Let's do it again. At tapos nyo, when you finish your turn, where we go? No, you go at the back. Naiintindihan ko ba? You go at the back, then okay? You need to make sure that you need to pass your player. Naiintindihan ko ba? Opo. Player number 1. Ayan siya, Elgino. Go. Go, careful, careful.
Concentrate.
Go, pass down the spoon. You go at the back. Go at the back. Go at the back.
Easy lang yun eh.
Go, 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 go. Go, go, go.
Oh, go, pass down the spoon. Go.
Pasa.
Oh, iwasan yung tubig. Baka matapon na naman.
Diretso lang. Matapos.
Oh, careful, careful, careful.
Go, 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 go.
Oh, pass the spoon. Go. Riley, go at the back. Ay, nasasabi ko lang, if you are done, go at the back. Alam mo ba yung back?
Ikot, ikot.
Oh,
Ikot. Ito sa likod.
careful, careful.
Achoo! Go! Sabay, go!
Careful, careful. Oh, pass the spoon. Go at the back. Go at the back. Oh, boys. Chara, ba't doon ka naglagay sa phone?
CJ! CJ! Go, go, go!
Isa, ito. Oh, pasa.
Tita?
Oh, go. Pass it.
Oh my God!
Careful, careful. Oh, pasa. Go at the back. Careful, careful.
Para mas marami na yung sa boys, girls, bilisan nyo.
Okay. Pass. Go at the back. Go at the back. Oh, careful, careful. Okay. Next na. Go. Last one na si Katie. Go. Cut na ang isa. Riley, oh. Okay. Oh, hands up na.
Girls na lang.
Hands up na. Okay na. We're done. We're done. We're done. Sige, back to the line. Back to the line. Back to the line. Let us see. Back to the line. Natapon na. Hindi ko na nakita kung sino madami.
Ito, madami dito. Girls.
Ayan na. Kasi sinabi ko back to the line
Doon
eh.
man sila eh.
Oh. Sino nanalo?
Girls, marami na sa girls no.
Sino nanalo?
Girls.
Girls yung nanalo.
Girls nanalo. Ay, boys na nanalo. Kasi natapon eh. Wala na siyang tubig.
Sige, point line. Sige, ayos na pila. Katie, mauna ka na, Katie. Mauna ka na.
Kasi tawag ko na.
Ayun. All together. Okay, say goodbye and thank you, teacher. Goodbye, classmates. See you. Okay, so let's go. Our classroom and you will get your bag. Go. Ay, don't run, don't run. Sige, pag may nadapa dyan, ha?
Another time.